Making a new template. First, switch from automatic to manual. First, choose a template for similar products. Select a similar template. For example, this one. Open it and it pops up. Need to make a new copy. New task. For example, I first copied it from this file. Save task. Then select the file just saved from here. Okay, this file that was just saved. Select it and bring it out. Okay, so this file here is a copy from the original one, and save it as new file. Then select Picking Settings. Select CCD1. First, we need to place a component in plate. Component position is same with it in carrier tape. Place it in the tray and try to align it as much as possible. Its direction shall be straight. Component bottom edge is aligned with plate frame border. Click Execution of Single Capture. Check if it's aligned. Compare this box edge with the image outlines. Okay, this one is relatively straight. Then we can use it for templates. Then adjust this exposure and gain. There are top and bottom lights for choosing. You can select and test which one is more suitable. Check which one has the best image quality. We need to make the edge clearer. This state is not very good. We can change to a bottom light source. Okay, now this state is relatively clear. After exposure gain is adjusted okay, we can do template positioning. The first step is for positioning. Select tool from left and drag to right side. Open Settings. No need to change top settings. Angle is from -180 to 360 for seating. Here is similarity. Matching quantity is normally set to 24. The first step is to start from the search area. Draw a box area for searching. Right-click to confirm. Find the template for component. Click Template area and draw here. Draw a box to cover components. Right-click to confirm. This is the cropping area. Prepare for the next tool. The next tool is to search in this box. Make the box a little bit bigger. Drag the bar for edge contrast until the edge is clearly visible. Then click Execution of Create Template. The cross center is the center for section nozzles. If the center is offset, you can change it through offset spacing. Nozzle picking center can be set with this. The picking center is better to be component center. Click Execution of Test Identifier. Then exit and save the task. Click Single Capture for execution. The first tool is green, which means this template has been completed. Open it. Execute and confirm that it can find the product. Check if the orientation is correct. The gap is on top. Arrow is downside. All components are okay. Close it. The second tool. The second tool is from image processing. Use area measurement to identify component topside. Click Execution of Template Image. Need to know the features of topside. Use region drawings to draw a box for features. The reverse side has no dots. Drag threshold interval bar. Then there will be a detection with red color. Area value for this dot is 167. There is no red dot on the back. Then we set an upper and lower limit for identification. The allowable upper limit can be larger. Set it to 1000 for pixel area. Lower limit can set less value. Set it to 50 or 80. Execution. It's okay here. It means tolerance setting is done. Save tasks after each step completed. Execute it again. This tool is okay with green. Then, if there is still a problem with orientation judgment, we can add more tools. Click here, you can disable this tool. This one is the display of tools. You can select what to display. Here is the name change. You can add remark names for tools. Then execute it. if previous tool cannot 100% identify. We can add more tools. Use another tool to check notches. Select this notch. Then, you can choose to check black or white areas. If you identify black areas, put left bar to end. Drag right bar for moving. Execution of test identifier. If you want to identify white areas, move right bar to end. Move left bar for check. Then it will identify white areas. We chose to identify black. Area value is 85. It means that when the area is greater than 120, it's in the opposite direction. Save the task. Single capture. 3 components are matched with the template. This one is not matched. Let's open the tool and adjust it. There is value for review. Recheck above tools. This point is blurred. Threshold interval is not adjusted well. We can adjust it again. Okay, now it's clearer. We must save tasks after each step completed. If I don't use this tool, I can block it. The tool below is for adding components from silos. Open it. First, draw a box region. Right-click to end. Background color is white. Product is black. Then we identify the black areas. All components are colored. Execute to get an area value. This area value is below my lower limit. It will automatically add components. When area value is less than the lower limit of area, machine will add components automatically. Upper limit can be higher. Just change the lower limit. Execute and save tasks. Execute. Here, red means the area value is lower than limit. Silo will add components automatically. You can block this tool and execute. Yellow means OK. If you want to add components, you can enable this tool. Save. CCD1 template is completed.